Hi guys on YouTube. I just received my A2Z CCS1 to ChaDemo adapter. I bought it from A2Z. I'm going to open it up and hopefully be able to start charging the Leaf with a CCS1 charger. So, it's an awful big box. And here is the adapter, which kind of just was flopping around in there. So I will pull that out. They did not pack it the best. You can look in there and see that was the packing. So A to Z, when you see this, maybe you can work on your packing a little bit better. Here is the adapter, CCS Combo 1 to ChaDemo. Looks like it comes with a USB-C and also a flash drive and the manual. And here we go. Look at that baby. Pick it up for the first time. They told me, I have not read the instructions, but they told me that it comes with a battery in it. This end will go into the ChaDemo port on my Leaf. This is where I will hook up the CCS1 charger. I am going to turn it on now just to see if there's a battery in it. And the red light comes on, blinks. I'm not sure what I'm to expect because I have not read the manual yet. I'm going to go out now and I'm going to plug it into my Leaf and we're going to check it for fit. Hi YouTubers, this here is my 2025 Leaf SV Plus. It's just coming up on 4,000 miles. I'm going to hit the adapter charge to open it up and we're going to see how this thing works. There's the ChaDemo adapter and let's see how it fits. It fit in and locked with a little bit of work. And here is where we will plug in at the charging station. I only have a level 2 here at my house. That won't. Okay, unfortunately on the last video, the Leaf picked up my wife's phone under the Wi-Fi and we lost the video. So the adapter does go in. You have to make sure that it's clicked in. And I actually turned it on and it worked fine. So my next video will be at the charging station. And stay tuned, I'll get to you in just a second.